All right, let's talk about assignment 2. I just want to give you a quick heads up on what I am expecting. I have the instructions listed in the assignments tab, so they are not attached to the lessons. They are in the assignments tab. And under the assignments tab, there are some instructions for assignment 2. What it says is that you need to go to the website oyez.org. oyez.org is a project that was done by Cornell Law School and Chicago Kent School of Law, and they have done this beautiful thing. They have summarized cases. So what you are going to do, instead of reading an entire court case, which can be 100 pages or so or more, you will go to the website and choose a case. Now, you would not be able to use any of the cases that are here because the instructions say that you need to choose a case that has been decided. So you can do what I'm doing, just go to the most recent and find a decided case. Looks like Carney versus Adams is the one. You can also do a search for subject matter and find something that is of interest to you. But the big thing is that it needs to have been decided. In the summary, they talk about the facts of the case. They tell you what happened. They tell you what question the court was deciding. They tell you how they voted. This must have been a unanimous decision, because if it had not been a unanimous decision, the people that did not vote in the majority would be grayed out. And then they tell you how they decided and why they made that decision, how they answered the questions. This is, again, quite beautiful. And so then once you have reviewed your chosen case, then I need you to write a paper. Now, this paper needs to be a minimum of 1,000 words. I am asking you to use APA format, which is a little different, but in 1301 or in a writing course, you would have had to have used MLA and APA, so I'm asking you to use APA for this one. This means that there's going to be a title page. There's going to be a separate page that gives the citations, and it will have an abstract. An abstract, as you will see in the Purdue OWL information on APA style, is a summary of what I'm about to read. All of this, so the citations, the paper itself, the abstract, are all part of your 1,000 words. And I need you to cite the OYES website, number 1, and then 2 additional outside sources. Please, please, my friends, do not use Wikipedia. Wikipedia is not a reliable source. Then in the paper, the body of the paper, I'm asking you to summarize the facts of the case in your own words. I'm looking for plagiarism. Plagiarism gets you points off on understanding the case. I'm asking you to explain what happened before the case made it to the Supreme Court. And so what other courts heard the case before it went to the Supreme Court? How did that other court rule? What did the Supreme Court rule? What was the vote count? What arguments did they use to arrive at their decision? And we're talking the majority. Tell me if you agree with the ruling and why or why not. Now, I have given you the naming the naming protocol that I would like for you to use, and you are going to submit this bad boy to Turnitin. And notice it is a completely different document than the instructions, because Turnitin won't let you put all those instructions there. You go to Turnitin, as long as it is in Word and or PDF. You can use it. You can choose from your computer, Dropbox, or Google Drive, and you put your information in and you submit the document, and there it will give a plagiarism report, or a similarity report is what they use. And this is due the same day as quiz 2. So remember, quizzes and assignments are always due on the same day. Thank you very much for your time.